What's up, fellow traders? Welcome back to another day trading recap. Had a pretty good day today. I shorted Tesla and Square. So let's get on to the trade. For Tesla, as probably everyone knows, Tesla reported earnings yesterday, and it was actually pretty good. The earnings were pretty good. They had some one-time items that made the operating expenses a little bit higher, but overall it was pretty good. But of course, the market decided to sell it off. Think one of the reasons for that is because they mentioned they have supply chain issues that will probably be persistent in 2022. And also, he was mentioning the most important aspect of Tesla is actually FSD and not necessarily producing cheaper model cars. I think the investors in general don't understand these kind of far-looking outlooks that are not guaranteed. What investor want is certainty, and they definitely didn't get as much as they wanted on yesterday's earning call. So this is why it is sold off today. But just to be sure, I waited a little bit longer on the day before shorting it. So I'll go into the details of about the trade right now. So you can see yesterday when the earning came out, it kind of whipsawed up and down. So definitely don't want to be caught up in that. That's why I never play kind of post earning trading. I don't like to do that. I find it's extremely risky. I know some people do it. They do it with options as well. So, but I didn't. So what I wanted to do is wait for the market to open. The daily chart obviously indicates that Tesla is heading into a downtrend. You can see it's right here is below all the moving averages, below the 9, below the 20, below the 50. And you can see the 920 crossed over here, so now we're heading into a downtrend. So that's what I was actually kind of expecting. I didn't see a large push in Tesla in the pre-market. So I was kind of like, yeah, this might be a short, but I want to be sure, right? So I waited for the market open. I decided not to trade early on. Give it some time. Uh, Give it some time. I contemplating getting over here at the pre-market low, but I knew pre-market yesterday low was right over here, so it didn't give me a good risk reward. I decided to wait for something that I can recognize, and I finally saw it around at close to 10, I would say, a little bit before 10. Again, I saw a flag pattern, right? I saw this beautiful flag on the 1 minute. It came back, had a nice doji candle over here, started rejecting it. I want to get in around here, but it skipped my order because Tesla moves really fast, so sometimes your orders don't get filled. I finally got filled over here. I didn't like it, but I gave it some room. So my risk was really high. Was kind of too much, right? I gave it too much room. So when it came back, I wanted to add when it was close to this 9 EMA, but by accident I covered it all. And then right over here, what I did is I decided to re-enter the trade right away. And after that, there was really no reason to sell. I mean, it was on a clear downtrend. So I held it, I held it all the way to 870 over here. 870, 860. I have a final target of 850 something, 852, but I'm not sure if it's gonna get there. This is already a lot better than what I normally do. I held it a lot longer than I normally do. It was really, really tough not to cover some over here, but I waited. I got a nice move after that. So on to the other trade, which was Square. I'm not sure if there was any news on Square, but it was gapping down quite a bit. It was gapping down quite a bit. So if we go to the daily chart, again, I mean, Square has been taking a beating, is being taken to the woodshed right now. So it's on a clear downtrend. No reason to go long on this stock right now. So the level that I was looking at, it was in the pre-market, it was gapping below over here around 107, 108. It was already down here. So there was this key level at around yesterday's low and close was indicating a strong level of resistance. And there was also on the level 2 a clear confirmation there was a large ass over here. So I mean, this was a very simple trade. Put a limit order over here. No, actually, I wasn't able to put a limit order. I did this trade, I executed this trade manually, and that's why I made a mistake actually. So the price kind of whipsawed a little bit, formed a double dot bottom, and it came up near 10 something. My entry price that I wanted was 110.95, but I got too antsy or too excited or whatever you want to call it, and I got in over here at 110.40 something. But I was able to hold it. I was able to hold it. So today, one thing that kind of worked out is holding my trades for longer. I wasn't able to hold it to my target, but I was able to hold for longer. So that's something in progress, and I got a nice win on this one too. Had a entry over here at 110.40 something, a stop at around 111.23. So I'm risking about 70 cents, and I got a few dollars out of it. So that's a pretty good risk reward. I think this was a 3R trade, and this ended up being a 4R winner over here on Tesla. And of course, I had a minus a few something R over here. So overall, a pretty good day, a pretty good trade. Hope you guys like the recap. See you guys next time.